Let's come to the straight to the point. आप जिंदगी बदलना चाहते हो या जैसे है वैसे रहना चाहते हो? आप अगर गरीब है तो अमीर होने का प्लान है? अभी आपको जिंदगी में कुछ भी बनाने का व्हाट प्लान यू आर हैविंग, सक्सेसफुल होने के लिए यू नीड टू फॉलो सम सक्सेसफुल ऑलरेडी प्रूवन प्लान. आप कहाँ में लगा हुआ है? दैट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. आर यू वांट टू स्टे वेर यू वांट टू स्टे? ऑब्वियसली नॉट. यू वांट टू हैव समथिंग big, maybe different. So if you don't want to stay here, where you want to go? That very important question you need to ask. Ask with a successful man who is doing proven network marketing, Amway business. We are today happy, peaceful, successful. Successful meaning is different for everyone. Right? So before that, I would like to give some कुछ बोलना चाहता हूँ regarding your thought process, where it is available. Whatever you are looking for, maybe कुछ भी चाहते हो, it's hidden is here, and you need to guidance of book, CD, and association. आपको what to read, what to listen, with whom you are associate, that's going to be your destiny, right? So let me read few lines from the book Secret. It's a law of attraction. The universe is the universal supply and supplier of everything. Whatever you need it is available in the universe, right? Everything comes from the universe and it's delivered to you through people, circumstances, and events by the law of attraction. What you will attract, that is coming. Everything is available in this universe. It's like a supermarket, but what you choose, what you require, and for that you need to attract, you need to work. Hard work is in your mind. And that is going to offer you through people. You learn to go along with people. And for that you have to be good connection. You have to know yourself. Circumstances, whatever is happening, accept it. And events, everything is happening for the best. Whatever is happening for the best. And you will attract. There is enough for everyone. If you believe it, if you can see it, if you can act for it, it will show up for you. The universe offers all things to all people through the law of attraction. We are all connected, we just don't see it. Only through network marketing and Amway is the number one, and it's proven. Important part, Amway business build करने के लिए you need to get different kind of education. It's called self-education. आपको educated होना होगा. You have to learn how you can go along with people. And for that you have to learn about yourself, knowing about yourself, and what you are speaking, what you are thinking, what you are speaking, and all these things is matter. Have a big dream, design करिए life को. And अगर money भी चाहिए, why is very important. Why this business? Why all the time? Whatever you want, why? Find out what you want, say why. How much money you require to get all that material thing? For that you need to become first spiritual. If you are a spiritual, then you will attract material things through spirituality. And it's proven. All is written in the books. All is hidden. आपको जो एजुकेशन दिया गया है उसमें अलग है, बट नाउ इट्स अ डिफरेंट एजुकेशन, सेल्फ एजुकेशन. यू हैव टू लर्न, यू हैव टू प्रैक्टिस, यू हैव टू बिलीव. You have to believe upon yourself, believe upon the universe, the power of God. Whatever you are speaking, it's going to come and happen in your life. Okay, The 7 point of network marketing in Amway business you can get. 1. Freedom to wake up each day with your plan. Freedom to wake up. Number 2, ability to change your future. Your future is at your hand, you can change it. Number 3, a chance every day. A chance every day to help someone get something they want, they need. Number 4, the ability to have fun. Ability to have fun at work all the time. In network marketing, in Amway business, through our work, we have fun, lots of fun. Peace of mind. Because we know where we are heading, whatever we are doing, why we are doing. Huh? And number 5, the ability to talk to someone new multiple times every day. Very important, connecting with the people, you will learn something, the skill with people, and that ability is to talk with someone with multiple times every day. Because you have learned to speak, learn to offer, learn to give. Whatever you can conceive, if you believe, you can achieve. Whatever. So, numbers, ability to work around your family and your interest, where you get the interest, right? You will get time. You will get money. 7, a chance to earn extra income on your own time, not someone else. You will have the control of your life. जिंदगी आपका हाथ में आ जाएगा. You will build it. इसके लिए आपको नौकरी छोड़ना नहीं है. इसके लिए आपको कुछ भी छोड़ना नहीं है. Doing whatever you are doing in extra time, we can build our life. And every brain is both a broadcasting station and a receiving station for vibration of thought. What thought is all the time you are thinking? आपको आज, if you are poor, you are not having money, that should be number 1 point. If you have no time, that should be number 1 point. Why you have no money, no time? That question you should ask. You should ask yourself, why? All is available in this world, and somebody is getting so lots of things, everything. And if you are deprived, if you are not in that situation where you think that you deserve, ask the question, why? By depriving network marketing, Amway business, you are depriving yourself and your family. Go and investigate it. It's an information age. अब investigate करके देखिए. And through that the people are ready to help you out. Because it's a win-win. आपको समझ, we have a purpose. The people have problem. All the problem, relation problem, money problem, time problem, physical problem, social problem, religious problem, spirituality problem, right? So, but we have the solution because we are organized. We are totally, the Amway business is giving us to solve our purpose to help people. And we are educated through a different kind of mindset through the Brit worldwide, through book, CD, function. आपको दोबारा स्टूडेंट बनना पड़ेगा. This is the thing. This is information we are all the time giving you. And friends, who is already with us, be a good student first. If you're stagnant, आप अगर अटक गए हो network marketing, maybe you are having a 6-figure income, still you are not growing. Why you are not growing? That is also important. यहाँ में grow या you are आगे जा रहे हो, नहीं तो आपको पीछे लाएगा. That is the keep on doing all the time, helping people. This is amazing business, friend. आपको अभी भी, yes, it's not, it's simple, not easy, because you will not believe. You don't believe that you deserve the best. You are not learning how to speak. कैसे बात बोलेंगे, you are not learning. बात करना सीखिए. You need to be a student of having a big purpose, learn to speak and unlearn. There is a process to unlearn. आपको खाली करना पड़ेगा ये दिमाग में जो भरा हुआ है अर्लियर ये पास्ट लाइफ से जो आपको मिला हुआ है फ्रॉम द पीपल हु आर नॉट. वी हैव नथिंग अगेंस्ट द पीपल और पास्ट लाइफ में वी आर थिंकिंग बट दिस इज द न्यू लाइफ, न्यू कॉन्सेप्ट, न्यू वर्ल्ड, एवरीथिंग इज न्यू. एंड थ्रू पीपल लोगों का अंदर में, लोगों के साथ में यू हैव टू कनेक्ट. लोगों के साथ में, लोगों में ही आपको जो चाहिए वो कनेक्टेड है. ये रहस्य, दिस इज द सीक्रेट यू नीड टू रियलाइज. इट्स हैपनिंग. आप भी कर सकते हो दोस्तों. व्हाई नॉट? वी आर रेडी इफ यू आर रेडी. सो फ्रेंड, थैंक यू वेरी मच.